2025 McLaren GTS. The 2025 McLaren GTS is McLaren's updated entry-level Grand Tourer, replacing the outgoing GT while introducing improvements in performance, design, and technology. It's designed to offer a balance between supercar thrills and long-distance comfort, making it the most practical car in McLaren's lineup while still carrying the DNA of the brand's high perfa. The exterior features a refreshed design with sharper, more aerodynamic lines than the GT it replaces. The GTS has a sleeker, lower stance, with larger intakes and improved airflow management to enhance both cooling and efficiency. Its carbon fiber construction ensures the car remains lightweight, giving it a curb weight of around 3,300 pounds, which is impressively low for a Grand Tourer. Under the hood, the 2025 GTS carries a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine producing 626 horsepower, paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. Power is sent to the rear wheels, allowing for 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds and a top speed of 203 miles per hour. Despite being a Grand Tourer, its performance numbers are firmly in supercar territory. Adaptive suspension, active aerodynamics, and precision steering make it agile on winding roads while still comfortable on highways. Inside, the cabin is designed to be more livable than McLaren's pure-track-focused models. There's increased luggage space compared to the brand's supercars, including a usable front trunk and a rear storage area. The interior offers premium materials such as leather, alcantara, and carbon fiber, with improved sound insulation to make long drives more pleasant. A new infotainment system with a high-resolution touchscreen, smartphone integration, and premium audio options modernizes the in-car tech experience. The 2025 GTS also emphasizes customization. McLaren offers a wide range of personalization options through its MSO McLaren Special Operations Division, allowing buyers to tailor the car's paint, interior, and trim to their tastes. Overall, the McLaren GTS stands out as a supercar you can realistically use daily or on long trips. It bridges the gap between luxury Grand Tourers and high-performance exotics, appealing to enthusiasts who want practicality without sacrificing speed or driving excitement.